Hi.
Hi. So this might be my favorite topic, not because it's a favorite topic, but it just sounds really fun. Phantom electrical issues with truck. How do I think I'm having a phantom electrical issue?
Many things. You could get check engine lights.
Okay.
You could have other indicator lights that come on in the dash. You could have interior lights that don't want to illuminate when you turn them on.
Yep.
Some of those issues may relate to just powering the entire truck down. And what I mean by that is on all of our Freightliner tractors, there's a master power switch.
Okay.
That is located down at the driver's seat base. Okay. And basically what you do is you turn that off for 10 to 15 minutes and it completely powers down the truck.
Okay.
What I mean by completely is when you turn the key switch off, yes, it powers down the truck, but there are a lot of things that run behind the scenes. Whether it be the transmission computers, things of that nature. In powering down that master switch, you're eliminating power to everything.
Yep.
So let everything reset, turn that switch back on, fire the truck back up, and that may alleviate the issues. If it does not, then obviously we want you to contact your fleet leader, send in your tractor breakdown message so we have that documentation and we can expedite that repair and get you fixed.
So usually if you get that ticket of someone saying, hey, I have X light, you're going to ask them probably, hey, did you do this full power
Absolutely. That's the first thing we're going to look at.
Yeah.
On that same topic, the Volvo tractors,
Yep.
that power disconnect switch is located in a different area.
Yep.
So the driver's side step assembly folds down. Okay. You're going to see the 4 batteries there. That master switch is right above the batteries. There again, power down 10, 15 minutes, and then power back up and see if that alleviates a problem.
So I'm going to ask the really dumb question. I have to turn the switch back on before I try to power on.
That is correct.
It won't automatically go.
It will not automatically power back up.
I mean, I would be the one who'd ask the question.
No, I mean, that's why they
Tim
call
would be
them
on the phone being like, T, did you?
That's why they call them a master disconnect switch.
Awesome.
Okay?
Awesome.